Took a ride down to Boundry Street in Kingston to catch shots of the inbound 10:48 a.m. train going through the intersection. I would guess that the Plymouth station is probably about a quarter of a mile from this intersection. Here comes Swifty. If you like these videos, don't forget to subscribe and also click on that little like button down there. Well, that was fun. Now I think I'll go home and eat some Cheerios. Stay safe out there, folks. Keep the rubber side down. Stay alert at all times because there is danger everywhere. And also, remember, I'll be back.